cream cheese 200 gram, whipping powder 1 sachet, cold milk 115 milliliters. Whisk together until soft peaks form and transfer to a piping bag. Spread Nutella on the flat side of Ladyfinger biscuit. Then sandwich together with another Ladyfinger biscuit. Dip the sandwich biscuits into the milk for 1–2 seconds. Then coat in the desiccated coconut. Arrange them in a serving dish. Evenly pipe in some cream cheese mixture. Place another layer of sandwich Ladyfinger biscuits. Evenly finish with cream cheese mixture. Dust some cocoa powder on top. Decorate the trifle with the cream cheese mixture and refrigerate for 2 hours. Enjoy!